My fellow investors, fellow Jamaicans, if you're at home in Kingston, Mandeville, Montego Bay, or anywhere in Jamaica as a matter of fact, and you got to renew your Netflix subscription, or you pay your monthly Amazon Prime, or for persons who have like ChatGPT plus access, starting soon, that bill is going to look a lot different. For the first time in a decade, the Jamaican government is rolling out a series of new revenue measures, and the digital world is right in the crosshairs. Now, unless you're living under a rock, I guess you would have heard by now that the Finance Minister Fayval Williams recently tabled the 2026 to 2027 budget, and it includes a major shift: the application of General Consumption Tax, or GCT as we call it, to digital services and intangibles supplied from abroad. Now, this is not just a small adjustment. It's a fundamental change in how the government views the borderless internet and its role in the local economy. Now, there's a method to the madness, because there's a logic behind this move, and it is what experts call the destination principle. Essentially, the government argues, and rightfully so, that if a service is being consumed by someone living in Jamaica, the tax should be paid in Jamaica, regardless of where the company's headquarters are located. And it's an effort to modernize a tax system that was built for physical goods and to finally bring non-resident providers into the fold. A lot of persons are going to say, why now? The honest answer is that a large part of this push is driven by the need to recover funds following the devastation of Hurricane Melissa. The government is obviously facing a massive fiscal gap, and they have identified the rapidly growing digital economy as an under-taxed sector that can help bridge the $29 billion Jamaican dollar hole in the national budget. By taxing these international digital services, the government expects to pull in about $300 million in the first quarter of the 2026 to 2027 fiscal year alone. Now, once the system is fully up and running in 2027, that figure is expected to skyrocket to over $4 billion annually. Now, that's a significant stream of income that the government says is necessary for national reconstruction and public services. For the average Jamaican, this means that the era of tax-free streaming and digital tools is coming to an end. Now, beyond just entertainment like Spotify and your Disney Plus, this tax could apply to, get this, cloud storage, software as a service, and even digital advertising. So if you're a small business owner using Facebook or Google ads to find customers, you might see those costs climb as the platforms pass the GCT directly onto you. Now, on the government side, they also point out that this is about fairness. Local Jamaican businesses that provide similar service have had to pay GCT for years, putting them at a competitive disadvantage against global giants who can bypass the tax. And if you look into it, this is really true. This new measure is designed to level the playing field so that every player in the digital space follows the same rule. As we move towards the fourth quarter of 2026, which is this year, expect to see more updates on exactly how these taxes will be collected and which specific apps will be the first to show that 15% GCT on your digital invoice. The digital border of Jamaica is officially being drawn, and your monthly subscriptions are about to become a permanent part of the national tax base. So leave your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next one.